Bobcat Company is an American-based manufacturer of farm and construction equipment. Bobcat E50, R2-Series compact excavators, also known as mini excavators, helps you push the limits of productivity with enhanced hydraulic performance, improved efficiency, simplified maintenance and more precise control. Featuring a redesigned Bobcat engine, this R2-Series excavator comes with features including an improved cooling system to enhance performance, serviceability and component life, low-effort joysticks that respond easily to operator input, hydraulic control for better metering, finite movement and controllability on level grading, and fast cycle times. The excavator also offers a minimal tail swing, less than 1 inch of overhang, to ensure easy work in tight areas. And it can be equipped with a long arm to increase dig depth and reduce the frequency of repositioning. Additional options include a state-of-the-art touch display, automatic heat and air conditioning, a rear-view camera and angle blade. Bobcat E50 engine delivers out a maximum power of 49.7 horsepower or 36.5 kilowatt. Operation weight is 5,387 kilograms. Its width is 1,960 millimeters. Its bucket digging force is 42,307 Newton and maximum dig depth is 11.4 feet or 3,478 millimeters. Its maximum reach at ground level is 19.4 feet or 5,889 millimeters. Bobcat E50 offer more ways to expand your business by digging ponds, shaping berms, trenching for water lines, breaking concrete, excavating, grading, trenching, picking and placing.